You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home inspire. Hi guys, your girl been house hunting, and I am here to share with you a few houses that was a contender on my list. I am not looking for a traditional home. I don't care about all that brick front or hoo-ha or whatever. I want a home that has a lower, at least a tri-level, 3 floors, because my husband is a music lover. He plays guitar, he bangs on drums, he plays music, period, all day, every weekend, every weekday aloud. So we wanted a home that was leveled because we've been living in a house for 10 years now, that we're on a hill. All of the dirt, all of the grass drains downward. And we had a lot of trees. Trees were falling on other people's houses. Trees were having fall on our home. And then lots of maintenance, lots of leaves raking, blowing. We wanted to get away from all the trees. We wanted a yard that was grassy, kind of semi maintenance. This neighborhood's okay, but it's a little bit too close. However, this is a corner lot, so I really love that about this house. And that's my realtor. Her name is Karen from Keller Williams Realtor. She was great. Okay, so this house is in the twos, the very low twos. I think it was like 217 and or two, yeah, two. Absolutely love this house. Except um, when you walk in, the dining room is the hardwood section, and it's right near the stairs to go upstairs. But the dining room window was amazing. All the windows in this house is amazing. And the living room is right to the right side. It's a carpeted living room. I love the ceiling to floor windows, but I could not get past the living room and family room connection. So you really have no separation of space or sound. I just realized I don't like the open concept. Am I the only one that don't like open concept? So you got your kitchen, your dining room, your living room, all that is just in your face. It just looks like a cluster of furniture, if you really ask me, because once I put my furniture in, that's all I'm going to see. Like this, a house full of furniture, as if I'm walking into a showroom or a furniture store. I kind of didn't like that feel, but these windows had me sold. And just the traditional look of the home had me sold. Because in my mind, I wanted to go traditional because I live in a contemporary home style build, and I just wanted to go traditional. But after seeing this no backyard, and the corner lot with all the yard being only trees, and then this big slab of granite that's going up in the back is nothing but hills and granite and rock, so you really can't hang out on that. It's slippery, it's got straw. And then they had a laundry room outside of the kitchen. I don't think I want to see a laundry room from my kitchen every day walking past it. The garage was a little bit small. I appreciate the shelving that was in it. And the kitchen was small too, but I love the granite. And I love the fact that it had a pantry. The pantry was behind the kitchen, across from the powder room, which would be the half bath. And then the dining room again. Going up the stairs were nice and wide. I like having a landing and turning and going up. And the master bedroom. The shape was beautiful. However, look how small. So if I put my bed in there, it's going to hang past the wall. And then I'm going to have a dresser there and then maybe 2 chairs and a mirror. But the bathroom was bigger than the bedroom to me. I really love this bathroom. The closet was okay, but I would have had to gut out the closet and reshape it so that my husband and I can share it, because this time I'm not taking a bedroom to make a closet. I'm not going to do that again. I kind of regretted it because I really didn't need a separate closet. I just had no choice because in my home that I'm in now, the closet space didn't exist. I love the whirlpool tub, unique looking shape. Only thing that I would change in this bathroom is maybe put some granite countertops, but I really like the bathroom. And again, the bedroom, it's small, but it's okay. Actually, the my daughter's bedroom in this home would have been bigger than my bedroom. The bathroom was a little small to me. It's the same size as the bathrooms that we have in the house I currently live in, but I love this two-story foyer and that chandelier, just gorgeous. This bedroom was a decent size. It would be a guest bedroom. I liked it. I still love all the windows. I just appreciate this home having so many windows. And I'm wondering why didn't the owner or previous owner leave the blinds because that's a lot of blinds to have to try and buy. Isn't that chandelier gorgeous? I love that two-story foyer. It's just gorgeous. Looking down from the railing, it's just nice. So the hallway, everything is kind of tight. Like this house had a lot of space, a lot to offer, but it was just super tight and kind of claustrophobic phobia. But when you walk into the room, like this is the largest bedroom in the entire house. This would have had to been my daughter's room because this is the room over the garage. It did not have like a bathroom inside of it. This home is gorgeous. I love it. But as you can see, it has no basement, no backyard. It's on a hill and it's loaded with pine trees. So it didn't make the buyer's list. But I did find a house that I put an offer on. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll be sharing more with you soon.